Unwinding the clock, the intricacies of rest time. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and the spotlight is on rest time. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or taking a break between tasks, understanding this term is key to both using English effectively and improving your language skills. Let's unravel the nuances of rest time together. Rest time refers to a period of relaxation, a break from activities, or a pause in work. It is often used in everyday conversation to signify when someone is not working or is taking time off to rejuvenate. But there's more to this simple phrase than meets the eye. Subsection 1.1. Rest time in different contexts. Workplace. In a job setting, rest time may be scheduled breaks such as lunch or coffee breaks. Education. For students, rest time can mean the period between classes or during recess. Exercise. In fitness, rest time is the downtime between exercises or sets, crucial for muscle recovery. Daily life. Generally, it can just mean time spent relaxing or sleeping. Subsection 1.2. Cultural significance of rest time. Different cultures view rest time in various ways. In some places, a midday siesta or nap is a part of daily life, while in others, short, scheduled breaks throughout the workday are more common. Understanding rest time is not just about knowing when to use it, but also how it's perceived. Subsection 2.1. Rest time versus breaks. Rest time often implies a more informal or flexible period of rest, while a break can be both formal, as in scheduled by an employer, and informal. Subsection 2.2. Expressions related to rest time. Take 5, or take a breather, are idiomatic expressions that mean to take a short rest. Downtime is a synonym for rest time, typically used in more informal settings. Let's put rest time into action with some examples. 1. After a long meeting, the team took some rest time before starting their next project. 2. Children often need some rest time after school to transition from academic work to home life. 3. The doctor recommended more rest time to aid in her patient's recovery. Be aware of common mistakes. Don't confuse rest time with quitting or being lazy. It's a healthy part of productivity. Rest time is not necessarily sleep. It can be any form of relaxation or inactivity. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, rest time. Remember, taking breaks and allowing for some downtime is not just beneficial. It's essential for our well-being and effectiveness in our daily tasks. I hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of this term in English. Until next time, take care and don't forget to schedule some rest time for yourself.